Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
Thank you for coming back and checking with us what's happening with our Khalifa property. We came a long way.
A long way. Yeah, there was nothing here, and now there's a house.
Yes.
So we've dug a new sewer line, put in a new water line. We dug for the foundation. They framed the foundation. They put rebar. They poured the concrete. They built the house. They built the frame. Then they built the roof. Then they covered it with plywood. Then they put the roof shingles on. Then they put the windows in. And then now, at this stage, they've wrapped for stucco. And let's go check out what we can see.
Yeah, come in. Let's
come
see
on, check it out.
What it looks like. This is the last time we're going to see it this way.
Hey, welcome.
Come on in. Welcome to this beautiful living space with the vaulted ceilings we promised. This is the living room area with a big window in the front. And the dining room. This will be the dining room with the chandelier. And this is the...
Here's the kitchen. We have this beautiful big island with 3 pendant lights that are going to hang down. Here we'll have the fridge, more countertop space and cabinets. You can see all the plumbing here for both the laundry and the kitchen. And over here, this is my favorite part. Here's going to be the stove with open shelving all the way to the ceiling and a beautiful backsplash, which I'm really excited about. And because we built over 1,000 new square feet, if you look up, you see these orange pipes running through. We had to put in fire sprinklers, which is something new for us.
And this is the master bedroom. This is the last time you're gonna see through the walls. Big master bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a walk-in closet. Literally a walk-in closet. A big one, check this out. And the bathroom, master bathroom, where you can take a shower. And the 2 sinks you can wash at the same time as your
husband. And so down the hall we have a big linen closet, a really big stackable laundry closet, and this is really great. This is a huge hallway guest bathroom with 2 sinks, and we have some really cool surprises for these bathrooms that I'm really excited to share with you later.
And this is the hallway with lights, many lights, and the second bedroom, also very large. As you can see, this is all of it is still part of the new construction with all the pipes and everything. And this wall right here, this used to be the old house. And we appropriated the old living room into the new bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom, but it's part of the old structure. And if you look around, this is the last time we're gonna see through the walls into the ADU, the guest house.
And here's the ADU. This will be the kitchen. It's a pretty big, spacious kitchen. Here's the open living space, dining area. And then into the 1 bedroom, which is a really big 1 bedroom and an enormous closet and a great size bathroom for this unit. So thank you guys for coming to check it out. And you can check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com, and we're on Instagram and Facebook.
Ta-da!